Hello students, have a nice day to you. Myself Neeraj Mishra, the computer teacher of your school, again came back with a new video in which I shall explain the one important topic of chapter 1, unit 3 and for class 9. As I started to explain about the importance and the benefits of ICT in different fields. So today I shall explain about the benefits of ICT in the field of governance and business. As students, as we know, ICT play a vital role, a key role in development and economic growth of rural India. Political, cultural, socio-economic development and behavioral decisions today rest on the ability of access, gather, analyze and utilize information and knowledge. The Digital India program launched by our Prime Minister emphasized more on using ICT services for doing our routine based tasks. Government of India is having an ambitious objective of transforming the citizen government interaction at all level by the electronic mode. A successful ICT application in e-governance giving one-stop solution for rural community is the need of the hour. ICT is crafted to enable the electronic governance through wireless communication. Thus, it's integrally interlinked and connected. The government started utilizing the power of ICT in different government sectors such as online railway and flight booking, Aadhaar card generation, online court case verification, online income tax, online central excise, e-offices are the few examples where ICT enabled services are being used. E-governance services through ICT refer to transactional services that involve local, state or national government. ICTs act in speeding up the flow of information and knowledge between government and citizens and transforming the way in which government and citizens interact. Government in many parts of the world have made huge ICT investment aimed at improving governance processes. Here are some more benefits of ICT in the field of governance as follows. In India, e-governance applications in the recent past have demonstrated their positive impact in minimizing the processing costs, increase transparency and support economic development by income generating ventures, increasing agricultural production and improvement in health and education sectors, all of which promote the overall quality of the life of rural people. ICT contributes in providing the transactional services for the rural people with the benefit of time and cost. Second one, the rural ICT application attempt to offer the services of central agencies like district administration, cooperative union and state and central government department to the citizens at their village doorsteps. Third one, no need to stand in the queue for availing the basic services such as LPG gas booking, making payment of the bill, taking rail ticket, payment of electronic bill, depositing the premium of insurance, etc. As this all can be done sitting in our homes. Because these all facilities provided by the government through internet online services. In addition of the various services provided by the government after the introduction of ICT, it also benefited the field of business. The term you are not new to the term e-commerce. The term e-commerce, e-business and e-marketing are not a new term to us. With the advent of ICT, business have been able to transform from local to international names. In order to keep up with the competition as a result of internet commercialization, companies are increasingly turning to information technology or hardware, software and telecommunication network to streamline services and boost performance. And this ways, ICT become an essential feature in the business landscape. ICT has created the following radical changes in business. First, online shopping, that is the more efficient than shopping in a store. Second, digital marketing is also more efficient work than high cost newspaper, television and radio advertising. Next, social networking. You all are well known about the social networking is more efficient than going to clubs. Next, VoIP communication is more efficient than legacy telephony. So, next one more also, cloud computing. Cloud computing is not a new thing. It is also very more efficient than a private computer network. But now have to know some more benefits of ICT in the field of business. First, ICT made the business system fast. Now, people can do their business in short time. Second, ICT enabled the organizations to store, process, analyze and share the large amount of data in a very effective way. These data help the company to take decision quickly and accurately. ICT made possible to know our all features of items to which we are going to purchase. No need to ask about the items from the shopkeeper. ICT also made possible to automate the manufacturing system, which helps in manufacturing quality products in shorter duration. ICT also helped the business organization to provide faster response and higher standards of services to their customers. ICT also enabled the employees to stay connected with their customers using various services such as email, video conferencing, internal chat rooms, so that they always have an efficient way to conduct business and communication. ICT also helping the organization to reduce costs and increase profit by providing online conferencing, online meeting that reduces the traveling and management costs. ICT also made very easy to transfer the money from one to another in the business. ICT also helping to develop the security features that made all financial transactions easy and secure. So after this line, I have completed to discuss about the benefits of ICT